of Mahapurush Srimanta Sankadev excelled Dharma and was well known for his loyalty to his guru as well as his artistic brilliance. He was also an important saint, poet, playwright, composer, scholar, and religious reformer in Assam. He had a great name for his mesmerizing serene devotional songs, and today it is covered by all many Assamese and also Vaishnavas for his significant contribution on famous kavyas, borgits, and many more. On 24th August, which is tomorrow in the year of 1596, this saintly figure left this illusionary world by leaving his invaluable contribution on spiritual devotion. So today, let us enshrine this virtuous person again. And now, our eco-champ is going to give a short speech on Sri Sri Madhav. Please welcome her.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, Namaskar, Nami Naulama KTOF, Reni Sati, Aji Moi, Mahapuru Madhav Devor, Tithi Duboleke Deor, Bikoye Dukhariman Gobole Ulaisu, Phul Hole Hama Koribo, Mahapuru Madhav Devor, Janma Hois, Suddha নামৰ ঠাইত তেওঁৰ পিতৃৰ নাম গোবিন্দগিৰি ভূঞা আৰু মাতৃ মনোৰমা দেৱী। তেওঁ একশৰণ নাম ধৰ্মৰ প্ৰৱৰ্তনৰ মূল হোতা আছিল। তেওঁ মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱৰ প্ৰধান শিষ্য আছিল। তেওঁ অসমীয়া বৈষ্ণৱ সাহিত্যলৈ মহাপুৰুষ মাধৱদেৱৰ অৱদান অনন্য। তেওঁ ৰচনা কৰা নাটকসমূহক ঝুমুৰা বুলি জনা যায়। তেওঁ সৰ্বমুঠ 157টা বৰগীত ৰচনা কৰে। এই জনা অসাধাৰণ নামঘোষা তেওঁৰ শ্ৰেষ্ঠ ৰচনা। এই জনা অসাধাৰণ ব্যক্তিত্বগৰাকী মহাপুৰুষ মাধৱদেৱ 1518 ভাদ মাহৰ কৃষ্ণা পঞ্চমী তিথিত পলম গমন কৰে। ধন্যবাদ।
That was a wonderful speech. So as our eco-champ mentioned in her speech about the borgit, what are borgits? Borgits, which literally means great songs, are a collection of lyrical songs in Brajavali language and is a symbol of prominent legacy of Mahapurush Srimanta Sankadev as well as Sri Sri Madhav. These borgits are the hymns which are written for the purpose of propagating Nam Dharma. These devotional songs were composed by Mahapurush Sri Sri Srimanta Sankadev and Madhav and are used to begin services in the Vaishnav monasteries like Satras and Namghars. There were more than 100 borgits written by Madhav, which helped to spread the devotional faith of Krishna throughout Assam. Borgit signifies stories of Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, and provides religious bliss to all the Vaishnav devotees, and Borgit also hold a great importance in the Assamese culture. Wow, I'm getting really curious to hear this extraordinary song. So let's hear it from our eco-champ, shall we?
Brindavan আনন্দে ও হরির রঙে আনন্দে ও হরির রঙে ফিরেতে রাখি কেলি করে বৃন্দাবনে মোহন গোপাল কেলি করে বৃন্দাবনে মোহন গোপাল।
Wow, how sensational and divine! Thank you so much, Ikosan, for a marvelous performance. And now, as we go to know about Borgit, we obviously can't forget about the collaborative and delicate dance which follows the Borgit, right? The Satya Nritya, again introduced by the great Vaishnava saint Mahaprabhu Srimanta Sankare and Madhadev, and is a very beautiful, expressive dance form, and is a cultural jewel originating from the mystic land of Assam. The tapestry of Satya Nritya is intricately woven with the threads of devotion and mysticism, which are originally danced in Vaishnava monasteries. It is characterized by graceful movements, intricate footwork, and expressive hand gestures, depicting the religious stories of Mahabharata, Lord Krishna, and the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Let's now welcome our Eco Chimes who is going to perform a graceful dance, Satya Nritya. magnificent literacy composers and the light from his spiritual knowledge. which has enlightened the spiritual path of Vaishnava Dharma, and not only in Assam but also in different parts of India. Therefore, let's reminisce about this great saint in his death tithi